Hello everyone, in this video we will be showing you how to make a rose flower prop from craft foam. First, you will need your reference images. You can play with this a bit, as roses are different shapes and sizes. You can take this a step further by looking directly at the shapes of the rose petals themselves. Once you pick your shape, transfer that to a piece of craft foam. I made 2 pieces of this size and then freehand drew a very similar shape, just slightly bigger. I ended up making 4 different sized petals. Since you need 2 petals on each side, I cut out 8 petals in total. For the stem, I'm using a simple wooden dowel rod. I lightly sanded the bottom edge to make it smooth and round. You will then glue on the petals facing each other like so. You can also play with the placement here, as you will see I end up doing with some of the bigger sizes. Be careful when using hot glue, especially on smaller pieces like this. It is very easy to burn yourself, so be careful and remember to have fun. If you guys are enjoying this video, you may want to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and we really appreciate all of you taking the time to watch us create. After all of your petals are glued on, you can trim any down or change any shape last minute. You can then paint the flower any color you like. I made the petals red and the stem green. The choice is yours. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and if you make a flower, show us on social media. We would love to see it. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Excelsior!